doing a little different to start off with. Sorry you can't hear me, I'm kind of off to the side, so hold on. Sorry, you probably just saw a quick edit there. Here we go. Alright, sorry about that, just did a little quick edit there, getting the light adjusted here. But I'm going to do a quick unboxing, a smaller set that I picked up. I almost forgot about it. I'm going to do this set right here. Look at it. Revel in its glory. It's pretty epic that way, even with the ring light there. But as you can see, it's 689 pieces, 9+ years, 75234 AT-AP Walker from the Clone Wars. Of course, you can see the attack on Kashyyyk. It looks like that's what it's about. You got the green troopers, swamp troopers, I guess you'd call them, and then you've got two droids, and of course Chewie with the older crossbow, actually, which is interesting. I enjoy putting this together, but first I'm going to go ahead and unbox it real quick, just do a quick video on that. Here we go, got our trusty blade with us here. So you just cut this up on the top here. You can see how many bags it has, but before we do that, let's just go look at the back. Got some interesting accoutrement here. You can definitely fit some troopers inside the walker. Of course, you got the pretty cool display heads up there. Of course, it fires weapons right there as well. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And the legs, of course, move. Looks like it's a tripod. Tripod, right? Yeah, tripod. It's a tripod, unlike the Imperial AT-ATs. So, like I said, we'll just go ahead and start unboxing it. See how many bags it has. Number 1. 3, 5, 4. These over here. 2. All right, 5 bags. Here are the instructions. Of course, got stickers in there as well too. I'll go ahead and open the instructions up now. I'm not going to do any builds on this tonight. I'm going to wait on that and get started on that later. I'm going to upload some more gaming stuff, and that's a whole separate thing. Same channel, separate thing I'm doing. Yeah. Here's the manual. About 133 pages, so it should be a fairly quick build, about maybe 5 or 6 videos. So I'm looking forward to putting that together. Of course, you got the stickers over here. Those look interesting as well too. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy putting this together. So we are here again. AT-AP Walker, 689 pieces, 75234. So stay tuned.